Hey guys, it's your girl Mo, and welcome to the Baldhead Girl Show. So today's video, I am going to be doing my hair in mini twists.
Say hello. Say hello to the people and get out your butt. Say hello. Look at me. Daughter. Oh, girl, you is. To know where I stand. I'm your mama. Mama. Sing to me, daughter. Mama, you know I love you. Oh, daughter, you so sweet. You know I love. This ain't just a one-person show. You gotta sing. Daughter, I want to put my book bag on you. You going to school today? Oh, no, first of all, education is very important. Don't you walk away from me. You heard me. Where you going? Clearly, it ain't the school.
So today, to achieve my mini twist, I am so excited to be using my very favorite is Reagan Sanai. And I actually met the owner. I met the owner. She was very nice. I met her like over a year ago. So anyway, we had this natural hair day, and the owner came, and she was, she had her products up, and I was like, okay, so, I wanted to try it out. So she tried out a little section, I remember, and it was back here. I had this spray to like wet my hair first. And so then she used the Detangler, the butter, and the Soufflé, and she used the gel, and she put a twist in. So it was very cold outside. Twist had no room to dry. Okay, it was cold, but she put that twist in. Not only did it look juicy and healthy, but girl, I untwisted it after 20 minutes. Let me tell you, 20 minutes. And so the rest of my hair was looking like whoa. But my hair right there, I took it out, and it was looking like ow. Like whenever someone asks me about hairlines, this is the first one I recommend, period. The products last long. Not only that, it moisturized my hair. Let me tell y'all, not only that, but it smells good. How do like, and it smells divine, like divine times 2. Okay, let me tell y'all, these black-owned businesses are doing the thing. I do try to make sure that I support black-owned businesses because I'm always for the people. I'm always for my people. And not only that, but they have the best products out there. So to achieve my mini twist, I'm going to be using the Moisturizing Leave-In Detangler. Right? Y'all see that? And it smells good. What they say is in here. Infused with kiwi oil. That's why I smell cute. That's what, it just smells cute. You ever had something smell cute? This it. Anyway, so kiwi oil, cucumber, and marshmallow extract. Let me tell you, you are the snack. Okay? Well, I'm a 5-piece meal, but y'all can be some little snacks if y'all try this. Let me tell y'all, this leave-in. And then also, I'm going to be using the mango butter souffle. Now, what I love about this souffle is I can use it for my hair. I can use it for my face. I can use it for my body. Reagan Sanai. It's lit. But don't get it twisted. I also have some other products from the line. I also have the rosemary hibiscus curl defining oil gel. The first thing I'm going to do, as you know,
So now that we have our sections, let's get into poo. Grab that trusty bottle of ding 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 water and get the spraying on that hair. And then you're gonna take your leave-in conditioner and get that squirt in. And now it's time to rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. Work that hair in, girl. Detangle my hair. Now it's time for the souffle. Now work. Work it in your hair. Ooh, now it's all me down to sealing that moisture. Yeah, I got that work. I'm what baby mamas leave. I'm what baby fathers kirk. okay? And get to separating that hair and twist me out. Twist me out. Get my hair in the bag real good, so I'ma celebrate. Who bought it? My love, do you ever dream of candy coated raindrop? Oh, drip it, girl. You see my candy rain. Ding, 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 ding. All right, y'all. We almost to the finish. We doing the front side part. Freeze. LAPT. Lil ponytail, if you didn't know. And Mrs. Officer. Just kidding. Now back to this hair. So make sure that you're really working into your edges. Ooh, get into your edges. What have you done for them lately? Ow. Please make sure you are working all of the products into your ends and that you don't twist all the way down. We will be coiling it around our fingers. Okay. Here is 3/4 of my hair done. Curls, twists are looking hydrated. They are looking juicy. Honey, they are giving tease, okay? Make sure that you're continuing to do the same thing. Use your water, use your leave-in, use the butter, then seal it in with the oil. That's how you keep your hair hydrated. Look at those ends. Now here, last piece. Alfalfa. Wait, we gotta bend it back because you can't look at all that hair. Okay. Now, last twist. Make sure you are bringing down all of the product and you are making sure it gets to your ends, and you will wrap around that hair around your finger. You will wrap it around. Oh, and we are finished. We're going to give a side part T. Hi. Oh, I'm giving, okay, side part T. Okay, don't judge my edges. Okay, behind the ear. Okay, innocent. What you gonna give me? Friday voice. Okay. Anyway, come in the club, shaking my dress, Stony Bones. Oh, Millie Rock on any block. And I've added a few little gold pins. We get into my shirt. Shout out to the gang. Shout out to the club. NCNW Morgan State University section. Shout out. Hey sis. Thanks y'all.